Hello and welcome. A monsoon is a seasonal change in the direction of the prevailing, or strongest, winds of a region. In this video, we are talking about how we do the perfect hair flip this monsoon. Hey gorgeous! With the monsoon season finally upon us, we are all excited. The rain showers, water splash, all sound fun and romantic, and we cannot agree more. But wait. Are you prepared to deal with the hair woes that come with it? Do you have your hair protection in place? While monsoon is a welcome season from the scorching heat, it tends to have some negative effects on the hair. The high humidity levels, the unclean rain or toxic water makes the hair go limp, dull, frizzy, and unmanageable. Fret not, as we're here to help you have a hassle-free monsoon. All you need to do is prep your hair and fix your hair woes with our simple solutions. Save your hair now. A woman who cuts her hair is about to change her life. Here we go. Prep your hair. Prepping your hair is the first step to good hair care. A quick and convenient solution to overcome your hair woes and maintain your hair during rains is to include the right hair care products in your arsenal. It helps to ensure that these are picked out to cater especially to your hair and scalp type as well as combat weather. To maintain a healthy scalp, make sure you shampoo 2 to 3 times a week using products that provide the right levels of moisture and conditioning to your hair. Pick a shampoo and conditioner that hydrates your hair from root to tip, locks in the moisture, and best fit your specific hair need. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.